Need something cleanse your pores without irritation? Experience double care with deep cleansing of your pores with ilso. This ilso cleanser can use both with and without water. Let's see how it will be without water. Bubbles are self-forming. Let's try on damp hand. Cleanser is more easily to spread. Wait for a while, then it will bubbles up. With or without water, bubbles are foam up nicely. You can try using bubble cleanser this way. For men who want to shaving also can apply. Thick layer of bubble cleanser to the shaving area. This bubble cleanser contains 5 types of hyaluronic acid, 5 types of silica, actoin and ceramide NP. Ilso bubble cleanser is oxygen reactive. Bubbles appear naturally when in contact with the air. Follow us for more tips.